Ever wondered what happens when ASUS ROG combines dual 3K OLED displays with the most advanced gaming hardware for 2026? Stick around because the ROG Zephyrus Duo may just be the most versatile gaming machine we've ever seen. If you're into high-end gaming tech and cutting-edge productivity machines, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and share this video with other gamers who need to see this. Let's dive in. The ROG Zephyrus Duo 2026 is ASUS's boldest dual-screen gaming laptop, yet a powerhouse built for gamers, creators, streamers, and multitaskers who want desktop-level performance in a portable package. This is not just a laptop, it's a mobile battle station with two full-size OLED screens. The standout feature, two 16-inch 3K OLED touchscreens with a 16:10 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1,100 nits peak brightness for jaw-dropping visuals. That means vibrant color and deep HDR, smooth gaming performance, instant responsiveness for creative workflows. Imagine gaming on the top screen while your tools, chats, stream controls, or content browser run seamlessly on the second. It's remarkable, absolutely next level. Under the hood, ASUS has packed serious firepower. Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 386H, up to 4.9 GHz, 16 cores, 16 threads. Up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, laptop GPU with 24 GB, GDDR7 Ultimate Graphics performance for AAA gaming and content creation, up to 64 GB, LPDDR 5x8533. Storage, up to 2 TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD. Battery, 90 Wh, portable power source. This hardware combo means blazingly fast gaming performance and smooth productivity workflows. The Zephyrus Duo isn't just powerful, it's versatile. Thanks to a 320-degree hinge and kickstand system, you can flip between 5 unique modes. Dual screen mode, main plus secondary screen stacked. Laptop mode, traditional form for typing and gaming. Sharing mode, screens laid flat. Book mode, displays side by side. Tent mode, for collaborative or presentation use. It's magic how one device can feel like a laptop, a mini desk, and a collaborative screen perfect for streamers or creators. To keep those powerful components under control, ASUS equipped the Duo with ROG Intelligent Cooling Vapor Chamber, liquid metal on key chips, dual fans, and graphite heat distribution. Even with 2 high-brightness OLED screens and a desktop-class GPU, it stays cool, and yes, this laptop is built to last. RGB/lighting on the lid with customizable effects adds that gamer edge. It's loaded with ports for your peripherals, 2 times Thunderbolt 4, 2 times USB-A, 3.2 Gen 2, HDMI 2.1, full-size SD card reader, Wi-Fi 7+, Bluetooth 6. Perfect for streamers, creators, and pros who plug in and go. Gamers who want RTX 5090 graphics, streamers and multitaskers who need dual screens. Creators who work with video, art, code, or live streams. Power users who demand premium build and performance. This is not an entry-level gaming laptop, it's top-tier performance packed into one crazy clever form factor. The ROG Zephyrus Duo CES 2026 may redefine what a gaming laptop can be, combining productivity, portability, and pure power into one package. Whether you're gaming at the highest settings, streaming live, or editing 4K video, this machine handles it all beautifully. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the ROG Zephyrus Duo, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Turn on notifications for more top-tier tech reviews and deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, game smart and stay powerful.